a wild fruit tree here called Mutsambatsi, or a wild grape. A wild grape, it's a wild fruit which grows widely in most parts of the country, and the fruit comes up just like a grape. This is the fruit, and it's edible. It's slimy, and the skin can easily peel off, and it's got a seed, and then it can be eaten. Yeah, it depends with the person. You can even chew the skin. As you all know that in the skin, that's where it is mostly rich in minerals, medicinal properties, and all that. And also it is the food of wild animals. If you see these here, the millipedes, they're also part of that, and they feed on this as well. As you can see, they also feed on this.